to the Tech Time with David web show. Now, what I'm going to show you is how to make your voice sound like Alvin the Chipmunks or do any other voice effects. Now, first thing you're going to do, I don't have the internet since I'm camping, is you want to download a free program called Audience. Okay, so download it, then install it and open and run the program. Now what you're gonna want to do sorry, it's being strange. So yeah. Sorry about that. So yeah. Okay, so now what you want to do, you've downloaded it, you installed it, and you'll find the link in the description, don't worry. And actually you'll find it at the bottom of the screen now. So open up Audience. And so yeah, just open up Audience. Now, record your voice. Hi, my name is David. What's yours? Now make sure you've clicked this. Now click Effect, change pitch, and I'd say change it about 4 to 6% is good. 45. And here it is.
Hi, my name is David. What's yours?
So, now, to save it, go Files, Export as Wave, and save it wherever you want. Now, I'm sure you're wondering, how is my computer running Windows programs when it looks like Mac? Now, what I've done is I've installed a couple pieces of software to make it look like this. Now, next, you'll find on the next screen just a couple of now just search how to make your Windows XP look like Mac, and you'll find all that cool stuff. So, see you later. Peace out.